I'm a repeating musical phrase. That's how it all begins. Followed by another one. The musical dance begins. Add some percussive elements. You got a groove. We are music. Every part of us resonates in a musical note. Our cells, circles. You don't have to pick a side in a circle. It's inclusive. It's continuous. We're gonna work on it. Add all the elements. Play with processing. Play with our voices. Assimilate instruments. We are the first instrument, of course. Everything about us is music. And we're gonna prove it in New York pretty quick. Circle singing, it's what we're all about. It's who we are. It's a birthright. And we're gonna play with it to the nth degree, including catching songs. Just a castaway, an island lost at sea. Another lonely day, no one here but me. So what we do is make the circle song experience much greater than the sum of its parts. Hope to see you there soon. Take care. Till then, bye.